Guys, Roms or Rom over here. Today we're gonna be playing Parkour Adventure. Welcome to Parkour Adventure 4. The upper to drop. I ran so slow over there. Info. Follow us on Instagram. And what is your Instagram? Our new official Instagram. Pro Miner Builds. Okay. DPLO Gaming LCPE. DPLO. What the heck? Gaming. Okay, follow them. Rules: set your difficulty to hard. No breaking any blocks. When you set V, must also spawn, but don't cheat or will die a noob at parkour. PvP are allowed maximum player 5. Okay. And follow the rules. 42 high. Hard. Oh, I don't know what is hard and what is normal. Let's start the game. What happened? Oh, here. Don't tell me I will die at the first jump. Hey, by the way, guys, if this map is too long, I will make it a 2 episode video. Good luck. This map may take a while cause it contains 40 level. Oh my god, this is too long, and I will make it up. I will make it 2 level. Oh, gosh darn it. I'm at creative then. I will go back to my spawn when I fell. Again, what the hell is wrong? Oh no. Let me fix that. Let me fix that. Yay. Okay, checkpoint over here. Oh my gosh. By the way, guys, this map isn't that hard. But can I make that jump over there? No, it's a 4 block jump. It's hard though. Oh my gosh. Gosh darn it. I fell. Oh my gosh. That jump is hard. Oh, sorry. I cheated. I cheated. Lol. Oh no. Not used to playing creative mode. Get out here, the lava. Get out. This sand part. Oh my gosh. This sand part is very hard. Oh, is this map broken or not? Oh, this is very hard. Hard part though. Oh no, it's not. Oh, please wait. Okay. Oh no, I thought that some part is impossible. It is. Oh, no way. Okay, another checkpoint. No. Why did I move over there? I feel. What the heck? Don't fail. Oh my gosh. I thought I failed. This one is getting collapsed. Oh, I'm failing over and over again. Okay. No, I've run out of split. What the? I mean sprint. What is this controller? Oh, yes. Leap of leap of faith. I thought I jumped, but no, I didn't. Leap of faith. Another checkpoint. Oh, this gas part is. Oh, I made it hard. Double hard jump. Then I fell on the last jump. Awesome. Why? Why, bro? Why, bro? Bro, no way. Are you kidding me? By the way, guys, this map is not hard, but I'm getting some issues with my controller. So I'm failing over and over and over and over again. Oh, okay, I failed the first jump because my sprint don't work. Oh, oh, four block. No, no way. Wait, that wasn't happening. Four block. Oh my gosh, dang. By the way, how many minutes are we recording? Okay, there are 9 minutes. Okay, okay. Four block. Yes, checkpoint. Uy, I flew. Why? Why? Why did I fly? And my sprint won't work. I have some very issues with my controller though. Oh no. No. Oh no. Okay. 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 Also, I will I will end this video for now because we will 10 minutes and I will make the second episode. Please like and subscribe for more video. Goodbye. It's Romeo over here and bye bye.